Churrigueresque refers to a Spanish Baroque style of elaborate sculptural architectural ornament which emerged as a manner of stucco decoration in Spain in the late 17th century and was used up to about 1750, marked by extreme, expressive and florid decorative detailing, normally found above the entrance on the main facade of a building. Origins: named after the architect and sculptor José Benito de Churrigueresque, who was born in Madrid of a Catalan family, and who worked primarily in Madrid and Salamanca. The origins of the style are said to go back to an architect and sculptor named Alonso Cano, who designed the facade of the cathedral at Granada in 1667. A distant precursor of the highly elaborate style can be found in the Lombard Charterhouse of Pavia, yet the sculpture-encrusted facade still has the Italianate appeal to rational narrative. The Churrigueresque style appeals to the proliferative geometry, and has a more likely ancestry in the Moorish architecture, a Mudéjar architecture that still remained through south and central Spain. The interior stucco roofs of, for example, the Alcázar de los Reyes Cristianos in Córdoba, Spain, flourish with detail and ornamentation. Development: the development of the style passed through three phases. Between 1680 and 1720, the Churrigueresque popularized Guarino-Guarini's blend of Solomonic columns and composite order, known as supreme order. Between 1720 and 1760, the Churrigueresque column, or estipite, in the shape of an inverted cone or obelisk, was established as a central element of ornamental decoration. The years from 1760 to 1780 saw a gradual shift of interest away from twisted movement and excessive ornamentation towards neoclassical balance and sobriety. Among the highlights of the style, interiors of the Granada Charterhouse offer some of the most impressive combinations of space and light in 18th-century Europe, integrating sculpture and architecture even more radically. Narciso Tomé achieved striking chiaroscuro effects in his transparente for the Toledo Cathedral. Perhaps the most visually intoxicating form of the style was Mexican Churrigueresque, practiced in the mid-18th century by Lorenzo Rodriguez, whose masterpiece is the Sagrario Metropolitano in Mexico City, New Spain. The first of the Churrigueresque was José Benito de Churrigueresque, who trained as a joiner of altarpieces, drawing some very important for various churches of Salamanca, Madrid, Valladolid and other cities in Spain. Some in Spain have gone and some remain only a site's altarpiece of Convent of San Esteban in Salamanca, town of Nuevo Bastorn, choir of the new Cathedral of Salamanca, Plaza Mayor of Salamanca, Capilla de la Vera Cruz in Salamanca, College of Calatrava in Salamanca, Palace of San Telmo in Seville, Mexico. In Mexico, the Cathedral Basilica of Zacatecas, capital of Zacatecas State, and the parish of Santa Prisca, located in Taxco, Guerrero State, are considered as masterpieces of Churrigueresque style. The building of Parroquia Antigua in Salamanca, Guanajuato, founded on August 24, 1603, was completed in the year 1690, and the Churrigueresque facade in 1740. The altarpiece of the Church of San Francisco Javier in Tepoztlán, State of Mexico, is also considered, along with its facade, one of the most important Baroque Churrigueresque works created by the Jesuits in New Spain. The Altar de los Reyes of the Mexico City Metropolitan Cathedral and the facades of the Sagrario Metropolitano, which is attached to the same cathedral, are also representatives of the style. The Philippines. Although it was late introduced in the Philippines, the best examples were the San Juan de Dios Hospital in Intramuros and Daragar Church in Albay. Churrigueresque revival. The Churrigueresque decorative style was used in Spanish colonial architecture in the New World colonial towns' important buildings. The style enjoyed a resurgence after architect Bertram Goodhue and Carlton Winslow Sr. studied Spanish colonial Churrigueresque and plateresque ornament in Mexico, using it in designing the 1915 Panama, California Exposition buildings at Balboa Park in San Diego, California. The exposition popularized its use in Spanish colonial revival architecture styles in the United States.